Welcome to an update on the TFOS workshop, a lifestyle epidemic ocular surface disease. We have received the list of members for the Evidence Quality Subcommittee. They will support rigorous methodological approaches to identify, assess, summarize, and report research evidence within each of the topic area subcommittee reports, including the undertaking of a systematic review for our priority clinical question. Here are the members: Laura Downie, Australia; Cece Britton-Jones, Australia; Ruth Hogg, Northern Ireland; Isabelle Jalbert, Australia; Tanjing Li, United States; Gareth Lingham, Ireland; Alison Susan Liu, United States; Ian Saldana, United States; Sumir Singh, Australia; Riaz Qureshi, United States. That's all for now. Tune in later for more breaking news from TFOS.